Hi, I'm Tom from RACT, and today we're doing a few maintenance checks. How to check your oil, washer fluid and coolant. These three fluids help keep your engine cool, running smoothly and your windscreen clean. First up, engine oil. It protects your engine from damage and keeps your engine running smoothly. Here's how to check it. Park on a level surface and make sure the engine is cool. Find the dipstick, pull it out and wipe it clean. Put it back in, then pull it out again to check the level. It should sit between the minimum and maximum markers. With some newer vehicles, you can only check your oil through the vehicle infotainment system. If your oil looks low, it's time for a top up. You'll need to check that you have the right grade of oil. This will be often listed on a tag in the engine bay, or you could find it in your owner's manual. Some modern engines use a full synthetic oil. I would recommend a funnel when topping up to avoid spills, and it's also much easier to tip it on its side. As a general rule of thumb, it's about 1 litre of oil between the marks. Start with 500 ml and give it 30 seconds to drain into the engine sump before rechecking the level. Too much oil is as much of a problem as not enough. Make sure you clean up any spills and don't forget to put the cap back on. Not keen on doing it yourself? Your local mechanic can take care of it for you. Next up, windscreen washer fluid. A clean windscreen is key for clear vision on the road. Here's how to top it up. Find the washer fluid reservoir. Fill up with water and add some windscreen additive. Don't use unknown detergents or washing liquid, as this can damage your vehicle paint. Lastly, ensure your washers spray a good pattern onto your windscreen and see your mechanic if you have any blockages or faults. That's it. It's simple but essential for clear visibility on the road. And finally, engine coolant. It helps prevent your engine from overheating or freezing. Always check your coolant levels when the engine is cold. Never open a hot radiator. Give the top hose a squeeze to ensure no residual pressure is in the system. Locate the coolant reservoir and check the level against the markers. If it's low, it's time for a top up. Most auto parts stores sell these bottles pre-mixed for regular top-ups. Do not mix coolant types together because they can react. In an emergency, you can use straight tap water, but it must be serviced and repaired as soon as possible. Is your coolant low or you notice a leak? It's best to get it fixed as soon as possible to avoid a breakdown or engine damage. Not sure? Get a mechanic to check for you. And that's it. A few simple checks to keep your car running at its best. Safe travels and we'll see you soon.